In this section, what we're going to do is override the title of this menu item here to say some overridden value. I'm going to jump to my module directory. Again, we're in the blog override module. And in the steps folder, let's open up the sixth step, which is called override menu item title. And let's copy all the code and paste it over the code that's currently in the blogoverride.module file and save it. So this code down here is what's been added in this step. This file includes the code from our previous steps as well. So let's take a quick look at the code here. We're implementing hook menu link alter. So the function name is blogoverride menu link alter, and it takes one parameter, which is the item. And notice that it's being passed by reference, so we can modify this directly. So this hook is called on every menu item, so we only want to affect the one that has to do with the blog. So we're going to check the link path in the item for the blog path, and only then will we change the title to overridden blog menu title. Now if we go back to our site and we refresh the page, we'll see that that didn't do a change. And if we go to clear the cache, I'm going to go to configuration, performance, and then clear all caches. And I'm going to exit the overlay here. You'll see that still doesn't do the trick. So this hook is kind of quirky. It will only run either when the menu item is created, when the feature module is installed initially, or if we update the actual menu item. So to get this to hook in, we need to go ahead and edit this menu item. I'm going to go to Structure, Menus, and then I'm going to click on the list links next to the main menu item. And then next to blog, I'm going to click Edit. I'm just going to leave everything as is, and I'm going to click Save. And notice here, now we have our overridden blog menu title. And if we close this, we'll see our new menu title persisting here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the value of this item variable here and see what's inside. So I'm going to set a breakpoint, and then we're going to need to edit the menu item again. So I'm going to go to Structure, Menus, List Links next to Main Menu, and then next to Overridden Blog Menu Title, click Edit. And I'm going to set a debugging session to start, and I'm going to click Save. Okay, so now we're triggering this on every menu item here. So if we expand this item, we'll see a whole set of options. We have our link path here, we have our link title here, and we have a pretty large set of additional properties we can modify. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop the debugging session here.